All right, fellas. So after squats, bicycles, cutting the grass, fixing the gate, this is my my other warrior challenge. And hey, so the item of the day is a pocket knife. I usually carry a Swiss Army in my pocket. I'm not talking about a tactical knife. I'm talking about a physical pocket knife, one that you can use to deal with other things. So like making stuff, fixing stuff. So like this one actually has screwdrivers and stuff like that. So it's really beneficial because not only do you have the ability to do multiple things with it by going in and again fixing stuff, creating things, dealing with stuff like that, but it does give you a sense of security that no matter where I am, I've already got something to work with. So that's kind of it. Real simple, real easy. Thank you to my brother Dana Rice for my pocket knife. Yes, I love it. Anyway, the benefit of this one, just by the way, is it's got a saw on it. So got the saw, and then it's got a parcel hook on it too. So for those of you that know what that is, a parcel hook. So all right guys, hey, Papa Bear out. We'll talk to you soon.